And that's all it takes is a little bit of effort and work. And that's why I have to do these shows, is to remind people that this is how it works. You know, life takes some effort, and it takes some concentrated effort. You can't just say, oh, I just want to make sure it's one day in Finland or one day in Spain. I made sure it's in Spain and Finland and Thailand. I said I would make my stuff worldwide. It takes work every day worldwide for it to become a worldwide event. And that's what ends up happening is like, you can't just say, oh, I want some hot chicks to wear my shirts. You're going to actually have to approach them, ask them nicely, organize it, have your shit ready, and then they'll get ready, and then everything works out. But it ain't gonna work out unless you work it. And that's some of the conversations that we have to have. Is, you know, I'm here doing the damn thing in life, and it's just that, you know, I've organized what, three different girls. One left Ko Chong, so fuck that bitch. She's a liar. I bought her dinner, and she just lied about not having a boyfriend, and she was in love with someone else. Or B, you know, people that are super flaky or can't get to do it. I got my very cute 19-year-old Norway girl. She's doing a video call. Hold on. All right, dude, this one's being super high maintenance, but all right, these bitches can be, because she's got big titties. This is how it works. She's like, these dogs won't eat me, and I'm like, no, they won't eat you. But yeah, welcome to Little Eden. Welcome to my connection. Welcome to these dogs. I'm gonna catch up to it so she doesn't feel like they're gonna eat you. Come here. They're my dogs. You'll be all right. His bark is bigger than his bite, I promise you. Hi. You'll be all right. You'll be all right.